happening today? Gonna show you real quick how we can go in and install plugins in WordPress. You're gonna be doing this a lot throughout development. Basically, what you're going to want to do is go to the actual plugins and you can go to install. Now, there's several ways to do this, but in this one, we're gonna manually install it with the file that we've actually downloaded. So here we just go to plugins, we can go to add new, or on the side menu here we can go to add new as well. We'll just click here, add new, and what it's going to do is give us the option to search our plugin, which is fine, or we can also manually add it ourselves by uploading it here. Basically, we can just go here to upload, choose our file if we've already had it downloaded, which we do in our case. We'll go to our web development, WordPress plugins, and here we're going to find our under construction plugin. These are all different plugins that we have, but this is basically our under construction. I can just select it, and what it's going to do is go to install now. It's going to load the plugin to the WordPress CMS. It might take a minute. You can see it's loading up here, but basically it's just taking the time to upload the files to the WordPress. Again, depending on what extension it is and which plugin, it can take more or less a few seconds. So here we've had our installing plugins. It's under construction is in. Install a plugin, installed successfully. Here we can activate it, which is right now it's turned off. So why don't we activate it? What we'll see is that it's taking us here to a list of all our plugins, and our under construction plugin is basically telling us that we're able to find it. So why don't we dismiss this? But under constructions here we can go to our settings and we are able to manage that plugin. So here it is. And basically what this does is then on the front end of our website, it will say an under construction type page. We're not going to go into all that. This is just an install. But basically the other way to just quickly do that through a manual is that we can actually search it, because this is powered by the web. So why don't we go under construction, which is already there. And it's going to actually do a search under construction. Oops, I think I spelled it wrong. So it's basically pulling a search, and here's actually that plugin you can see, and it's actually activated. So guys, that's how you can install more plugins. Again, take a look. There's so many different plugins to experiment with WordPress. But hey, stick around. We'll see you in the next tutorial, and hope you enjoy it.